Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. Today I'm coming by with a demo of the Olliecraft supplies that I received. This is a resin cabochon inside of one of these pocket watch bezels. This is another one I did. This one I didn't put a coating on the back, which helps it to show what's inside. But it's still really pretty. It just needs like a blue on the back or something. So, to start these, I've already filled my little cabochon mold halfway with the Ultra Dome. And then I put it under my UV light to cure. Okay, second step. I ought to do this one because of that bubble, but I'm going to do this one because it's not as full. Okay, then I'm going to put another layer of resin. And then using my tweezers, and using a lighter first, just to pop the bubble. Just pass the lighter over the top. You don't have to hold it there or anything, but it will draw the air upwards so that it pops the bubbles. Okay, with my tweezers, I'm going to really like this one. I like it this way. Okay. Okay, now sometimes when you put objects into the resin, they will trap air. They will trap air and then release it slowly. So you may have to pass the lighter over several times. A little bit more resin just to cover the backs. Alright, then I'm going to put this back under my UV light. I'll say for 10 minutes, even though in mine it only takes like 2, but you do want to be sure it's fully cured. Okay, so when that's done, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to add some of these, I don't even know what they're called. They're little glitter, they're like glass glitter chunks. Okay, and a little tip when you're doing these resin cabochons is layers, 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 layers. You cure the bottom / top first, because any embellishments you add will prevent the light from penetrating through. Same thing with your backing layer. You want to do it last in a very thin layer and make sure everything else is already cured, because the light won't pass through this glitter layer to cure the rest of it. So make sure it's already cured, then we'll add the next layer. Alright, so a little bit of resin. Make sure it covers the whole back. Then I'm just going to take something like this palette knife, a little spoon tool if you have it, okay, some of the black, some of the silver. That would be really pretty, wouldn't it? Yeah. Okay, it went everywhere. Okay, then some of this brown, copper, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm not sure why the first time I did this, I was much neater. Alright. Now I'll just take the tweezers and kind of lightly give them a little bit more space in there. Okay, then cure one more time. Okay, these are the three that went ahead and finished. This one is the steampunk one. It's not glued into the bezel yet. Okay, and here is the ocean themed one. Evidently, these molds are not very smooth on the surface. Either that or I don't know what happened. Okay, and these are called like gemstone. Not sure. Yes. Gemstone mini chips. That's what they're called. These are also available from Ollycraft. Okay. And they're really neat. They're really sparkly. Like I said, they're almost like a glass glitter. Not sure if that's what they are. But they're really nice. So on this one, I used the brown, the gold, and the silver. This one I used the blue and the green, and the silver. And this one I used the red, the hot pink, the pink, and just a little bit of the silver. The red, the pink, the hot pink, and a little bit of silver. Okay, so there you go. Demo for Ollycraft. And they really do have some really nice accessories to go along with your resin, your UV resin. Like I said, they've got a lot of these, I don't know that you would call them kits, but like the mold came along with the stir sticks, the measuring cups, a few ring molds, and a few other tiny little molds, and the finger cots. I know a lot of you have this mold at home already. They can be used with polymer clay, paper clay, resin, lots of uses. So, if you're interested, go to Ollycraft. These little shell chips also came from there, which I did use in the ocean themed one. Alright, so Ollycraft. Visit them, find lots of useful resin accessories. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.